Good afternoon, everybody. We're doing another random website audit for a Pittsburgh plumbing company. Just wanted to see. I sent the other one off to the company that I did the other day. I never got a response. I just figured I'd do another one. I like helping people out as much as I can. All right, I did another search here, and I came to the second page. And I was looking down through here and I seen a company that I liked. The site looked a little rough, so I was going to see if I could help them out. So here's what we're doing. We're going to do these guys Pollock Plumbing today. And again, hey, if you guys want this free template that I'm using, this same template right here that I'm using right here, this is the one I use for all my website audits. I'm giving that away for free. All you gotta do is go to danieldenbo.com, click on a free website audit template, and it'll just send it right to you. No charge at all. And if you do want a free website audit, right now I'm doing them for free to the rest of 2020. Again, let's go ahead and get started. Here's where we're at. So basically what we're gonna do is we are doing a website audit for Pollock Plumbing Incorporated. So the first thing we want to do is, let's go ahead and move this over here. First thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and check this page speed on it. So you want to go to check the page speed, you want to go to GT Metrics and test. So while that's doing that, we'll go ahead and check out the first thing here. So let's go ahead and type in PAWLAK Pollock Plumbing. The audit date is 8/29/20. Right now we don't have any competitors. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we are going to check out, it does refer, let's just go here to check to see if it goes to the preferred version. We're going to take out the S and see if it comes back, and we'll see if it goes to the preferred version. So we can probably put an X here. I'd say it does. Yes, it did. As you can see, it went to the secured version. While this is loading here, our page speed, we can see we do have some problems. Let's go ahead and open up Screaming Frog. We'll go ahead and take this. We're going to copy this. So while this is loading, we're going to go ahead and open Screaming Frog. Does it have a fave icon? It does, but I guess you could say yes. Let's say yes. Does have a robots.txt file. Let's see, robots.txt. Let's see if we have a robots.txt. Sitemap is included. Yes, we do, and we do have the sitemap also available with sitemap.html. But you actually probably need to go ahead and add. Okay, here it is. Sitemap is included, so yes, that's a positive. So we can go yes and yes. And let's go see if they do have a sitemap. According to them, it is sitemap.html. XML. Let's see what we got. Sitemap looks good. Looks perfect. That's a good thing. So we got a yes here. Do we have the HTML sitemap in the footer? Let's go back to the main page. Take this off. And our Screaming Frog is up. Let's go ahead and let's throw this over here. We're going to take this, copy it, and put it in our Screaming Frog, paste. Go ahead and start it. While that's running, we'll go ahead and we don't know if we have an HTML sitemap in the footer. I don't see one. I don't see one in the footer, so we'll put a red on that. Oh, we don't have an HTML sitemap, nor do we have one in the footer. And we can check that several different ways. We can go in here, go to Google, and type in site, and colon, Control V. Let's see if there's any pages around this HTML sitemap. Sitemap. It's not showing, which we know it's there, so I know it's in there. We just seen it. Is it this? Is the sitemap not indexed? The sitemap is not indexed, it doesn't look like. Okay, that's something we can work on later. Do we have an about page? Let's see here. Let's go here and just look for about. We do have an about page. We have a reviews page. Okay, so that's good. We have a contact us page, didn't we? We do have a contact. Let's see if that's good. And it looks okay. Looks good. Terms of service, I think I've seen that. Conditions of use, privacy policy, cookie policy. I don't see a terms of service, which could be the notice of takedown policy. I don't know what their policies are, but it looks like everything, all the policies are probably in place. Terms of service, unsecured content. Let's wait for the screaming frog crawl to get done. Is it done? It is done. So let's see if we have any unsecured content. We don't have any HTTP pages, so everything looks good there. So we're good there. Do we have a categorized structure? So let's go check out the categorized structure. Let's see if everything is categorized. We can do this all through the screaming frog crawl. Let's see, we have reviews, we have plumbing services, there's a category. We have a menu. Drain cleaning is another category. Kitchen and bathroom. So it does look like we are categorized. Let's go see. Yep, categorized. Let's see what else we got here. A couple of things we can check over here. Let's go ahead and we have HTML pages. We got some JavaScript. Blocked by the robots. What do we got blocked? Okay, the map. I don't know if you want the map blocked by the robots. You probably want Google to see your map, so you might want to make a note of that. Yeah, let's make a note of that. Let's just go over here. This looks good. Uncategorized pages or posts. I don't think we had any. Do we have any 401s? Let me do this before I forget. Let's go up here, notes. Make a note. What was wrong with it? It was blocked. Okay, So they had the map blocked by robots. I don't know why. Okay, we have 248 pages there. The 301s, we have a 307. A temporary redirect to what page is this? I don't know what 307 even is. Oh, it's HTTP. Alright, so we'll just let that one go. I don't know that much about those. Do we have any through 400 pages? Nope. No 500 pages. That looks good. No pages, no URLs. None of them are over 115 character. The page titles are all good. Wait. We're missing page titles. Let's go look at the H1s. Now let's go look at all pages and let's scroll over and look at the H1s. We got titles right here. Where are the titles? Are we missing H1s? No, we got H1s. We got plumbing service, plumbing repairs, drain cleaning. It looks good. Everything looks good. We got plumbing service. Everything looks good there. So why are we having problems? Go redirect. Okay, those are all redirected. That's fine. Page titles. We've got page titles. We've got a couple of them below. Let's see the reviews. Reviews is below 30 characters. We got metas. We got some of the metas below character. We need at least 70. Let's see. We got below 400 pixels, which is nothing major, too major. Okay, we're missing the keywords. Good. We got H1s. We're missing all the H1s. Where are the H1s? They're right there. So I don't know why it's saying they're missing. They're not missing. Oh, there's none missing. Okay. Misread that. We're missing alt tags on a couple of these pictures. We do need to get those fixed. We do have some alt tags missing. Let's see. Canonicals. We have basically everything going to the right page. Yep. Let's see what else we got here. We have basically everything actually looks pretty good in here. So let's just go see what's going on with the site. Why it is not ranking. So let's check this out. Okay, first of all, we've got very low content. I don't see very many words on this page. Yeah, that's definitely a problem. Very low content. Very low content on the main page. You want at least 300 words, and we do have links. These are linking to plumbing services. This is linking to drain cleaning and repair. This was linking to kitchens and bathrooms. Okay. I'd say your biggest problem that I can see so far, here's plumbing repairs. This is very low content. Let's just see how much is on here. See how many words are in here. Show it? No. It's not showing. Let's open this in a Word doc. Let's see how many words are in here. You want at least 300 to 500 words per page. In a service page, you probably want more than that. Let's see where we're at here. And here we go. I plugged this into a Word doc. It's showing we've got 208 words. That's a problem right off the bat. Definitely a problem. Low content. Let's see, our drain cleanings is another. I'd say it actually looks the same. Kitchens and bathrooms. Okay. We go into here. We've got low content on all pages. $300 to $500. 300 to whatever. Plus 300 to plus minimum. You want it probably on a service page. You probably want, 500 to 1,000. Okay, so let's go look at there. There's that. Let's see what else we can just do as a overall view. Okay, the home page, we have do we have a call to action here? Nope. We have 0 call to action, so let's go ahead and put that in here. No action. In other words, no phone number, no way to click the phone number. Like nobody can come in here and click this. They can't go in here. There should be a call to action right here saying call now. Or history, you need services is fine. We just need more content. Reviews is great. Contact is good. We need about page and an about page. Right now it says our history, which is the about. Okay, there's the about page. So our history is the about page, which is fine. It just seems like. And we just noticed basically these are just one thing that Google's coming out with this year is they're penalizing people for just having like regular pictures, not having actual pictures. Not as much on here, but more in your Google My Business page. Let's see. That image is probably just a standard image. I mean, just standard basic. Best thing to do would be to have somebody go take the pictures, like take the pictures that you're looking to rank for and put them on here, and then change the titles as you go in. Like you come in here, look at this picture. If we go in here to view page source, and we look at that picture, which is probably this. Let me go see. Let's go see if we can find it. Control F .jpg. See if we right here it is. See, here's the picture right here. This is probably the main image picture. Let me go look and see where it's at. Yeah, this is your logo picture right here. This is right here. As you can see, this says, I don't know what the hell that is, but this should say plumbing services. The alt tag on this should say plumbing services. So whenever you click into here, the URL on this should say not all this crap. It should say plumbing service picture or something like that. That's your main keyword. And if you scroll down, let's look at this one here. Let's see. Let's inspect this one here. What's this one say? This one is blah 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 blah. Yeah, exactly. This one needs to say affordable plumbing repair. I mean, it says learn about. What does it say there for the alt? It says learn more about plumbing repair. Okay, and then if you go in here and inspect this one here, so you definitely got some title problems with your. Okay, so do we have any 401, 301s? I didn't think we did. Do we have any 301s? I never looked. I don't think we did we? I don't think so. Response codes. Yeah, we had some 301s. We had that one 307. I don't know what the heck that was. So we do have 404 pages to get traffic. We were 301, 404 to get no traffic, and 410. So we don't have any 404s. We don't have any 403s. We don't have any 302s. Redirect links in the thank you page. We don't have a thank you page. We don't have any thank you page. So you need a thank you page. So whenever somebody comes in here and clicks on your link, say they click here to learn more, and it goes to, or you want to come up here and say, or contact us, and links to this page, and whenever they click it and they fill out the contact form, let's go see. Let's see if you guys have a thank you page in place. I don't know if you do or no. So you don't have a thank you page in place. Let's check the site. I don't see a thank you page. No, I don't see a thank you page at all. So we need a thank you page. All footer and header links work. So here's how we can check that. We can come up here to check my links. Let's do this. Let's go back to the home page. We'll check here. We'll reload this page and okay. This is going to check all the links. We have we don't have any thank you page. PDFs. We don't have any PDFs. We don't have any index. We don't have any pages. We don't have any tags set up. We don't have any of this. Oh, thin content. I didn't see any meta keywords that look good. Do you have any? What's the main keyword? The main keyword for this. All your links look good on this page. That's good. Let's see. Multiple keywords competing for the same page? No, because we only have one keyword. So the sitemap, was it submitted? I think it was. I didn't see any sitemap errors, but I don't have any access to Google Search Console, so I really can't answer that one, that one, or that one. I don't have your Google Analytics. I don't have your schema. I don't have. This is not a WordPress, I don't think. What theme is my site using? Let's go plug this in and see what they're using. Let's see if we can find it. It's actually the WP theme. Is this a WP? Let's see. Let's see what kind of a theme you guys got. It's built on a Duda theme, huh? I don't know nothing about Duda. Never used it. You're hosted at Oracle. Can't detect the theme. Must be somebody built this site. Must be a Duda CMS. Okay. So you got a content management system. You got somebody that designed this. You have a Facebook link that looks like you're connected to your link page. You don't know if you have a Google My Business. I don't know if you have this. If you don't, you need it. If you want to set one up, we set them up here cheap. Basically, here's the setup. So if you want this free template, I'm going to include it. I'll actually send it to you. Just email me and I'll send it over to you. You can get all this. Our page speed, where'd we go here? You got some work on your JavaScript that needs to be, there's a couple things you need to do there. We need to compress a couple pictures. I think this was what these are. There's a couple of settings in here that needs to be your Amazon. I don't know what these are. You need to, there's a bunch of stuff in here that needs to be done on this. Yeah, you definitely need some work on your caching. Basically, your Facebook needs to be, there's some browser caching that we can add to this to help reduce that, but everything else looks pretty decent. I don't know what your waterfall looks like. I don't have access to the login part of this, but your average timing looks pretty decent, I guess. I mean, it's not horrible. I didn't think it was too horrible, but you definitely got you got some work. The average is 69 or whatever, but I mean, you're below on your Yext or your YSlow. Your load speed time needs to be between 2 and 3. Let's go ahead and add that. Your page speed is at 5.2 seconds. I'll even send you a copy of this. So you can see it. Definitely needs some work. And let's see, the overall, other than the, you need some CTAs in here, you need people to be able to click to this. I would remove this and put it over here in the reviews tab. I wouldn't even put that up there. You got to look at the user experience. When somebody comes to this page, you know, they're like, they're probably just leaving. I bet your CTAs are really, I mean, your click-through rates are extremely low. But I mean, if you want me to go a little bit more in depth with this, I will with no charge, but I do need access to your Google Search Console and your Google Analytics. If you can give me access to those, then I can review this a little bit more in depth and give you a little bit more knowledge of what's going on. But I can assure you, you've got some, this is part of your problems. You've got a lot of images that need to be fixed, reduced. These need to be titled, and basically an overall upgrade. You know, you don't really need this stuff. I mean, from a user experience point of view, if you were coming to this site looking for a plumber, that's the way you want to design a site. Like, you want something to come on here and say, hey, this guy's a plumbing guy, but you want more like happy customer experience. You want to see somebody else. What somebody else has already been here, been to your company and seen. You know, even if you had like your reviews down here a little further and just put the pictures of somebody that's, I don't even know what the best, I'd have to go over with my designers. I've got some designers, some web designers that are in-house that are pretty badass. They work on this stuff all the time. But I'm more of the SEO type guy, but we have designers in-house that will work with you, work together, and get this thing taken care of. This is a good thing here. Take advantage of our coupon. But if you click here to use the coupon, let's see what happens. Okay, you got to print the coupon off. I mean, instead of doing that, I mean, just FYI, have this go to a page that captures their email and then email them the thing that they can print out and bring to you. So therefore, now you've got their email address, and now you've got their information that you can retarget them. Even if they don't buy from you, you have a way to retarget them in the future or offer free things. That's something else. This video needs to be up here about the company. You need to put that up top. And then put a call to action here. Call now. So, I mean, there's a couple things that need to be worked on. But, hey, this is kind of a quick overview because I don't have access to a lot of your stuff. We can check and see if it is mobile friendly. We could do that very simply by doing this. We come out here, we grab this, and we drag it to drop. Yep, well, let's see. This site might not be mobile friendly. Let me go check it. Let's go to the mobile-friendly test here from Google. Google has a mobile-friendly test that you can just check. Just put your URL in, test your URL right there. Let's see. If it's not mobile-friendly, remember mobile-friendly is the first thing they look for nowadays. And it's a major problem. Let's just see. It didn't look like it was mobile-friendly to begin with, but we'll find out. If it's not mobile friendly, then that definitely needs to be the first issue that needs to be fixed. It is mobile friendly, good. Okay. So that's partially loaded. So you've got some loading issues also. See, these things here are slowing you down. You've got a bunch of stuff. Googlebot blocked by the robots. This here has been blocked. You've got an image that was blocked. You've got another image that's got an error. This image here has a redirect error. Another redirect error. So that, I mean, the site needs to go through and get all these taken care of. There's definitely some problems internally that need to be taken care of, and we do have, like I say, in-house people that work on this stuff directly. But you are mobile friendly, and that's a good sign. But there's probably some problems right here. I mean, this is some, yeah. This isn't the page that loads a pop-up on it now. You definitely don't want pop-ups on here right away. So anyway, hey, that's the end of the tutorial here. If you guys have any questions or concerns at all, just feel free to leave them in the responses, or contact me at Daniel Denbo, or I'm at danieldenbo.com, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you guys have any questions or concerns at all, feel free to do so, and I'm always available.